Now we've all seen the commercial with the guy in the boat with the screen door. But what I want to do is, I want to show you the correct way to apply FLEX Seal. Now what FLEX Seal is, it's a rubberized coating that seals, coats, and protects virtually anything. It's like liquid rubber in a can. Now before we begin, you want to make sure the workspace is well ventilated. If you have windows, open up the windows. You have a fan, turn the fan on, get the air moving. Make sure not to smoke around FLEX Seal, and also don't use the product around heat, sparks, or open flames. A little common sense goes a long way. As far as using the product, first thing you want to do is shake the can vigorously for about a minute. It has a variable pressure nozzle, and what this will allow you to do is either put it on a light coat, maybe long sweeping motions, and notice how much of an area that covers. That's perfect for maybe filling gutters, the roof line, around cabinets, if you just notice a nice flow. Also, you can hold it in a concentrated area and it builds up. Notice how nice and thick this is. And this is perfect for filling larger holes and cracks. When working with FLEX Seal, heat and humidity have a lot to do with dry time. Obviously, if you're outdoors spraying in the sunlight, it's going to dry a lot faster. Several hours is good, but overnight is always a safe bet. Also, you can touch it. If it's tacky or soft, it's not dry. And once this stuff is dry, it's going to work. Another way to check is to hold it up to a light. If light passes through, it's not sealed, and you're going to need to add another coat. Once you're done with the FLEX Seal, you want to clear the nozzle. We do this by turning it upside down, giving it a few quick blasts. That way, the next time you go to use it, it won't be clogged up. And remember, on bigger jobs, you may have to use multiple coats, but always let it dry in between. It may take a little time, but if you do it properly, FLEX Seal does an incredible job.